Good morning students, this is Rupali Sharma, your English teacher from Vishisht School, Una. Today we are going to revise chapter number 5 of the First Flight book, and the name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses Part 1, written by Elbsor Esther. Elneo Esther was born on May 9, 1906 in West Haven, Connecticut. She was an American child's author, a children's librarian. Originally a librarian, Esther's writing career began following a case of tuberculosis. During the convalescing period, Esther began writing some of her childhood memories, which later turned into full-length children's book. Esther received the Certificate of Award for Outstanding Contribution to Children's Literature and was nominated for the Laura Ingalls Wilder Award. By the time of her death at the age of 82, Esther had written 19 children's books. This was all about the author. Now the theme of the chapter. The message of acceptance and of not teasing someone for being different is a theme introduced in the chapter. The chapter also addresses the importance of respect for others by presenting the lessons learned by the characters in the story. First, by the characters' lack of respect for others, then later they begin to demonstrate respect for others when they realize that although Wanda is poor and polished, she is really no different from them. तो थीम क्या है कि पहले तो हमें अगर कोई अपने से छोटा लगता है, मीन्स वन हु बिलोंग टू लोअर कैटेगरी, हम उसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं, ठीक है। और फिर जब हमें बाद में रियलाइजेशन होती है कि हमने गलत किया है तो हमें बहुत गिल्टी फील होती है इस चीज़ के लिए। और द सेम इज़ देयर इन दिस चैप्टर कि वांडा नाम की जो लड़की थी, शी वॉज नॉट रिच एंड बिलोंग टू पॉलिश कम्युनिटी. So Polish community was not a good community and they people had shifted from some other country there, and Maddie and Peggy made fun of Wanda in the class and outside the school. The issues of racism and classism are confronted in this chapter through Wanda's negative experiences in school, and because we learn that Wanda's whole family moves to the big city to avoid being ostracized, we can understand that the issues are much larger than just bullies at the school. कि बुली क्या होती है? दिस इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ रैगिंग. तो जो इश्यूज़ हैं वो रैगिंग से भी बढ़ के हैं जो चले हुए हैं स्कूल में. Now let us start the summary. The story The 100 Dresses is about a Polish girl. Her name is Wanda. Her family had migrated to America. She studied in a school with other American students. She belonged to a very poor family. Daily she came to school in a faded blue dress. वो एक ही ड्रेस पहनती है. द कलर इज़ ब्लू एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो फेडेड. इट वॉज क्लीन बट नॉट प्रॉपरली आयरन. शी यूज टू सिट इन द corner of room number 13. Room number 13 was their classroom and she used to sit in one corner in the last row. This was a corner where the rough boys who didn't make good marks sat. मतलब ये जो रो थी जिसके पास जिस कॉर्नर में वांडा बैठती थी उसमें मोस्टली बॉयज़ बैठे होते थे. Those boys who were not very good at studies, who were poor in studies. They made a lot of noise. There was the most noise of the feet when some fun occurred. और जब कोई मजाक वाली बात होती थी तो बच्चे अपने पैर ज़मीन पे घसीटते थे, बॉयज़ जो बैठे होते थे. And that created a lot of noise. Wanda didn't sit there because she was rough and noisy. On the contrary, she was very quiet, but she came on foot from Boggins Heights area and brought a lot of dirt with her shoes. She was an introvert and didn't speak much in the class. वो क्लास में भी ज़्यादा नहीं बोलती थी. No one had ever heard her laugh. Nobody really thought much about Wanda. Students thought of Wanda only outside the school hours. They waited for her while she was going to or coming from the home. मतलब जब वो घर जा रही होती थी स्कूल से, जहाँ स्कूल को आ रही होती थी घर से, तभी स्टूडेंट्स उसका वेट करते होते थे. वो भी इसलिए नहीं थी कि वो अकेली आती थी, लेकिन इसलिए कि उसका मजाक उड़ाना होता था. दे वेटेड फॉर हर इन ऑर्डर टू हैव फन विद हर. Two girls of her class, Peggy and Maddie, often talked to her and made fun of her. और सबसे ज़्यादा मजाक उसका कौन उड़ाता था? उसकी क्लास की दो गर्ल्स, Peggy और Maddie. Peggy and Maddie were not bad girls, but they used to have fun with Wanda. The students in Wanda's class found her name funny. Wanda was always alone in her class. Wanda didn't have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. They surrounded her in the schoolyard. Peggy made fun of Wanda and asked her how many dresses she had in her closet, and Wanda says that she had 100 dresses. The girls would ask her how many pairs of shoes she had. At this she would tell that she had 60 pairs of shoes. मतलब वो इंसल्ट से बचने के लिए ऐसा बोलती थी कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस हैं, 60 pairs of shoes हैं, और फिर लड़कियां उसका मजाक उड़ाती. Peggy was rich, but she was not arrogant. She was not cruel. On the other hand, she saved younger girls from bullies. But she and other girls couldn't understand why Wanda told a lie about her dresses and shoes, but the girls only made fun of Wanda. वो लोग सोचते थे कि वांडा ऐसा क्यों बोलती है, लेकिन किसी ने भी डीपली इस चीज़ में जाने की कोशिश नहीं की और सिर्फ उसका मजाक उड़ाया. Maddie herself was a poor girl. She used to wear clothes given by others, so she was sympathetic to Wanda. She and Peggy were fast friends. That is why she never said anything when Peggy made fun of Wanda. But she herself never laughed at Wanda. She didn't like Peggy asking Wanda about the dresses. Whenever Peggy mocked Wanda, Maddie felt bad. She wished that Peggy would stop teasing Wanda. Maddie decided to write a note to Peggy asking her to stop making fun of Wanda. But she could not muster the courage to do so. Wanda did not come to school on Monday, but nobody missed her. She didn't come on Tuesday also, but when she missed the school on Wednesday also, Peggy and Maddie noted her एब्सेंस. जब वो मंडे और ट्यूसडे को भी वो नहीं आई तो उसकी एब्सेंस नोट हुई. बट व्हेन शी मिस्ड स्कूल ऑन वेडनेसडे, देन Peggy and Maddie noticed this. They wondered why she had not come to school. Maddie remembered Wanda talking about one of her dresses, which was pale blue colored trimmings. Then Maddie thought about the drawing and color contest in the school. The girls were to design dresses and the boys had to design motorboats. Next day it was drizzling. Peggy and Maddie hurried to school as Miss Mason would announce the result of drawing contest. इस दिन drawing contest का result आना था. Peggy और Maddie भाग के स्कूल जा रही थी और यही सोचा जा रहा था that Peggy was a good artist and surely she would win. They didn't wait for Wanda. When the girls reached their school, they were surprised. There were hundreds of designs of dresses displayed in the room, and then Miss Mason announced the names of the winners, and Wanda Petronsky was the winner of the contest. So that's all with the summary of this chapter, and in next video we'll do the question answers. Okay, bye. Have a nice day, students.